I don't think it nearly would have had the impact on what I'm able to get done with different clients, fellow employees that I can now. It's been really indispensable. And as my bosses who paid for it goes, it's been worth every dime I spent on it. Well, my name's Bobby Krupp. I'm based out of a little small town called Normandy. I'm a staff accountant currently working towards my CPA. I always loved using Excel going through college. Date myself quite a bit back on that. Something I've always utilized a lot. Came across one of Jeff's webinars from some of my CPA training and classes like that. Really appreciated it. It was his ninja keyboard tricks, and then just really got into it, looked, saw how much more I could get out of it, and took off with it. It's made it a lot easier. Ironically enough, what I gained the most out of was the first couple of levels in the Excel University. The last couple that dealt with the workbooks and putting a lot of things back together. I already had that knowledge, but it helped refine it. And I've been able to use that knowledge and help out several departments with other companies we work with. And just to be able to use different techniques he had to sort and analyze data. To utilize that stuff. I'm able to take those and train other staff members that we have to help get their jobs done a little bit better too. Excel University was much more helpful. I usually try to YouTube and find one of his webinars that I couldn't find in my notes or whatever to help refresh something. But that's really in my opinion, all the YouTube videos are really good for is just the refining your little, so there's just all that repetition, all the workbooks he has, and the examples after examples you can go through that help you kind of commit it more to long-term memory than just going, let me get that done real quick. I've got projects from daily projects that will take me 45 minutes down to 5 or 6. And we have projects for even my superiors that would take them several hours. I've cut them down to 10 minutes. His keyboard shortcuts and a lot of things he showed me really got there, and just the amount of stuff that we do, being CPAs, working towards being some accounting firms, time is of the essence. So we have so many hours in the day that we can actually physically work, and so the more efficient we can be, the more we can get done. Of course, the more we get done, the more money we can make. So I think it's actually for all different levels because it builds the way he has it designed. It builds up from that beginner level you can go in. Now, it does help having some remedial knowledge of how the actual basic program works. But I've been able to use some of his techniques and stuff for people who have going, what is Excel? I don't even know what that is. And go in and teach them a few things that they can help their jobs out on the basic level. And I have others that I've worked with. We have a colleague, I think it's actually getting ready to enroll herself in Excel University.